Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola. In case they are new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all that jazz. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm in a very different place, and I'm sorry for the echo, but I'm in Jake's bathroom right now because my bathroom has like my, you know what I'm talking about, like the thing that takes the smells out and like the air out, the whatever that is, it makes a noise, and Jake's does not. So I'm in here, so sorry for the echo. I'm gonna try to fix it with editing, but if you still hear it, that's why. Anyways, for today's video, the reason that I'm in the bathroom, which is a different location for sure, is because I'm going to be reviewing and kind of demoing to you guys how I dry my hair. This is my hair like naturally straight out the pool, literally no products in it. I did go to the pool last night and I was going to wash my hair this morning, but I was like, nope, you know what, I'll wash it when I get home from work so that I can show you guys kind of what I do. I'm sorry I'm fidgeting so much, I'm gonna try to stop. I didn't want this video to be like as real as possible, and like I'm sitting here just having a conversation with you guys, and this is how I am in real life. Anyway, so the product that I'm gonna use is this right here. Is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So it says it's a power of a dryer, volume of a styler. So this is what it looks like, and I actually don't have it in the box. I have other stuff in the box because, you know, you repurpose stuff. But this is what it looks like. I love this thing so much because it definitely cuts my drying time in like half, if not less. What you hear is Jake, by the way. Yes.
Hello.
Hi. So, this definitely, like you can see, I need to clean it actually because there's like hair on it a little bit. But I use this all the time. I use it directly like on wet hair. And guys, I love this stuff because, disclaimer, I am Dominican and I feel like a stereotype is that I should be able to do hair because I'm Dominican. Like, we're really good about our hair, but I just am not. Like, I like makeup, I like fashion. Most of the time I don't even really want to brush my hair, but that's why I love this thing so much. Ouch. We went to LA a few weeks ago and I didn't even bring my flat iron. I just brought this and it helped, and I got in the pool and everything, and I straightened my hair with just this, and it works wonderfully. It doesn't like tangle up my hair. It doesn't make my hair super frizzy. The only time that I felt my hair was a little bit frizzy was my fault and totally not the hair dryer's fault. And that's because I waited till my hair dried and then tried to do this instead of doing it. And my hair dries like this, curly. So I would say to either use it on hair that's already straightened for like a touch up in between, because I don't know if you guys wash your hair super often. I don't. Or use it on wet hair like I'm going to show you guys how to do today. So I'm about to go run in and wash my hair, and I'll be back in a few minutes to show you guys how to use this. Some things about it. The dryer is oval, like an oval shape, so it makes it easier. It doesn't make my hair get super tired, and it does have a few different settings, including cool. So it has cool, low, and high, just like a regular blow dryer would, and the hot air actually comes from in between the bristles, as you guys can see, like on the other side. That's where the hot air comes from. This is cool to the touch. This is cool to the touch, and I'm gonna show you guys. Even though I don't know how to blow dry my own hair, this definitely gives me a blown out feel. I'm gonna check the price and I'll let you guys know in a minute, or I'll put it in the description below. But yeah, let me go wash my hair and I'll be right back to show you guys what this is like. I'm like Vanna White right now. And yes, I'm on my tippy toes because I'm really not that tall. Alright, so now that I'm out of the shower, my hair is still very wet, as you guys can see, and my hair looks super thin and tiny. I just have myself set up and ready to go. So I have like my water bottle because I get hot. I have my ice because I like to chill on ice. And then the only thing that I really put in my hair when I'm doing this is this, and it's the Hydrating hair balm. And I love the way this smells. This video is not about this, but I can do a whole nother video about this product because I love it so much. And the smell just lingers forever, and it's... Anyway, so I'm about to put this in my hair, and then we're going to start on the stuff. Also, we're going to start drying my hair. Also, I looked it up, and this is about $30 on Amazon and about $45 on, and about $45 at Ulta. So I got mine at Ulta a while back, and I just used one of those coupons that they have. But what I'm gonna do is, if I'm able to find it like on Amazon, I'm either gonna link it there, or I'm thinking about setting up my Amazon affiliate links again. So if it's linked down there and it's from Amazon, it's probably an affiliate link. I'm just letting you guys know now. But yeah, let's get started. Also, if I like fast forward this or like mute it, it's because I'm listening to music, because I don't know about y'all, but I like to do that when I'm doing my hair. So just put a little bit and work it, especially apple spit, by the way, especially towards my ends, and then whatever's left I use towards my scalp. And it smells so good, guys. Anyways, so yeah, so I would just do that, or some sort of heat protectant or something like that. But I really like this Hydrating hair balm. I like the way it smells. I like how soft it leaves my hair. But yeah. Alright. So now next, I know that a lot of people have, and of course, some of my hair falls out. I don't even know if you guys can see that. But I know for best results, you probably should like separate it and do it the same way you would do like a flat iron. But as you guys can see, my hair like curls up very fast, and I don't want it to get all knotted up. So this is the way I do it, and it definitely cuts my drying time in half. So before I do that, so I'm going to use it on the high setting and then just kind of go to work. You guys will see what I mean. Pause for a second. So normally it would take me about 45 minutes or so to dry my hair. I'm not even talking about flat ironing, just to like blow dry my hair. Maybe like 30 minutes because my hair is shorter now. I cut it not very long ago, but we're gonna see how long it takes. It's 8:09 right now. So let's see. So you can see it's starting to like dry already, and it's on high, but it's not burning. All right, so now that my hair is all dry, and to style it, I can't find my clip anywhere because of course I can't. So I'm just taking a regular scrunchie, and now I'm gonna do sections of my hair. Like I said, you can go right into doing this part of doing just sections of your hair, but my hair dries extremely curly. Ain't nobody got time to be detangling it over and over again. So, and I'm not even doing like super perfect. You see, they're just sections of my hair. Alright, so if you want to be done, this is a great time to be done. This is what my hair looks like, and it's what, 8:28. So it took me about 20-ish minutes to finish it. I don't have to go over it with a flat iron or anything. I told you normally with a regular blow dryer, one, my hair would have been like this size by now, and two, I would have had to go over it now with a flat iron. So it has this styling tool, I guess blow dryer, because it's a blow dryer for me. has literally cut my hair styling time in half. Now, you could stop here, but I'm extra, so what I like to do at this point, I'm just going to tell you guys, because my hair, thank God, is getting really healthy. So you see it's all shiny and stuff. It's not dull. But if your hair is dull, because mine was for a while, I would use it on the cool setting, which is, hold on, I got stuck. So I would use it on the cool setting, which is the second one. Is it focusing or no? I don't know. But the second one is the cool one, and I would just kind of go over my hair with the cool setting. It's loud, excuse me, because it's strong. It's just cool air though, and that really helps with the shine in your hair. So, do you guys see my hair? Look at this. I love this tool so much. So I'm gonna hit it with it real quick. I'm done, and it took like 24 minutes, and that's because I stopped to go get the comb that you guys saw me go get. I stopped to go get more water, so it would have took me probably like a little bit more than 15 minutes to get it really all done. And I love it. So I 10 out of 10 would recommend this tool. If you haven't bought it already, like, what are you waiting for? Go run and get it. I got mine in Ulta, but I know that you could get it on Amazon. I think I've seen it at Target and Walmart. So, like, it's very easily accessible. Again, it's by Revlon. Go get it. I definitely recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys like these kind of videos where I'm trying out products for you and kind of reviewing them for you, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to do these for you. I really enjoy doing these. And clearly it's products that I feel like the good thing about seeing not just a review but seeing like a demo is that you know that it's products that the person is actually using. It's not something that they're telling you because like a company is telling them to tell you, you know what I mean? No shade to like sponsored posts, because I hope to someday get sponsored posts, but this was just like a super real review. Like, I'm in my son's bathroom right now. My makeup's not done. My face looks a hot mess, but I just really wanted to get the word out. I'm sorry I'm a little bit out of breath. That happens because sometimes I go on and on talking and I forget. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed already, but you've made it this far in the video, you might as well subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. It really helps me grow. It really helps me know what kind of content you guys want to see. And it lets me know that I'm doing a good job of delivering the things that you guys want to see. Anyways, thank you guys so much. All of my social medias will be in the description box below. And yeah, until next time, bye guys.